Hi, I'm David. This is my wife Cindy. We're here at the Kingston Reggae Garden. We're a bar in Golden Spring. We're open every day but Monday and Tuesday. And on Friday, Saturday and Sunday we cook also. We have our kitchen up and we're basically a jerk center, serving jerk pork, jerk chicken and soup. On Sundays we have curry goat also. Every last Sunday of the month we keep an event, a old hits and food event, where we have a DJ playing and good food on the table. And every Friday we have our after work jam with our mixologist Curtis Spence, who makes great cocktails. Along the main in Golden Spring, and we're steeped in nature here. We have lots of lawn space. We're by the river. We're basically a very family-friendly place where families come to relax and where the children can run around on the lawn. We're close to Kingston, but our guests tell us they feel like they're on the North Coast, that it's a completely different feel.